Hello, to change wallpaper on Redmi Watch 5 Lite, we've got two methods. The first one, you can click and hold on your current wallpaper. Now when you feel vibration, you can actually pick one of the following background wallpaper by simply tapping on it with your finger. But also, you can go into the Mi Fitness application on your phone. Now go into device. And then go to manage band displays, and right here you can find a lot of different wallpapers, so you can tap on them and simply click apply. Now just wait for installation process. If you have the same information that you have not enough storage, then go back, swipe to the left side and remove any of this current wallpaper, then go back, pick the wallpaper that you want to apply, click on apply, and there we go. That will be all, and thanks for watching.